Okay, so that's just a board. I'm gonna probably put wallpaper on these walls. It's probably gonna be towards the end after the remodeling. I know it's backwards, but once I do the remodeling, I can easily just cut around stuff or pull stuff out to put wallpaper in up. I got this up here behind the refrigerator that needs to be covered somehow. Maybe I can put a picture or something to cover that. It opens this space a little bit, not quite how I imagine. My kitchen is just small, but at least the kids can access all these chairs and stuff now. So this is where I was keeping my dishes at. So now I need another spot for my dishes. I couldn't get this piece off. I'm gonna have to get a drill, come and get this piece off, and then I can slide this over a little bit. Or maybe I can just stuff some boards or something in there, because I do have the plug back there that I won't be able to access. Then again, the way the refrigerator made, you can't put the plug up against it. That switch I haven't really ever used, although I do want a garbage disposal. So I don't know. I figured something out. But I'm gonna need a drill to get this piece off. I almost tore this cabinet up doing that. This cabinet in here at the bottom is actually rotted out from water. It looks bad. So that needs to be redone. I want to add a garbage disposal. And the reason the bottom is messed up because the sink sometimes leaks. So I need to redo the plumbing under there. Right here, this drawer fell out of here like literally almost 2 years ago. And I never replaced it. But that's okay, because I now want to remove this whole piece from this line to this line. I want this out. Hopefully I can get this out without damaging that side or that side, because both of these are going to stay. And I'm hoping to get a dishwasher in them. I was going to move these cabinets. I don't know if I'm still going to move it. If I do, it's not the top priority right now. My next priority is just going to be to put some shelves up to make a pantry, because I now have cans of food in these drawers that I don't know where it's going to sit for now. I was hoping to save this cabinet right here, but I got impatient because I couldn't get it. I even went and brought some screwdrivers to try to get the other piece off, and it didn't work. It's just like screwdriver tight. And my kids Zay is always in my tools, and it don't work. The cabinet here, this cabinet is all food in here, which is gonna all be moved to the pantry. So I probably make this my dish cabinet, because I now need a dish cabinet. And this can, I guess, be another dish cabinet, although I don't use that many dishes. I find something to do with this. Actually, I have nowhere for silverware now, so maybe I can make some bins or something for silverware. I don't know. I'm sure this will get filled some way with something. This is probably going to stay like this. The only reason I took the other cabinet over there is it's the same height as this, so it gives something for this bar to hang. I was hoping by keeping the cabinet that this chopping block came off of, I can put it on wheels to make a moving island or whatever. It seemed pretty cool to prep on here, but that's okay, because when I get food set up, I can probably set it on here. Which means when I will move the air fryer to set stuff up here, and when I'm done, I'll put the air fryer back. I like this little thing that I can store stuff in. And actually, if need be, if it's stuff I run out of storage spots, something I want to hide or whatever, I can always pull this out. Shoot, I can even probably hide Christmas presents and birthday presents and just all kind of stuff in this other shelf that's behind here. And that's gonna be it for this kitchen. But it didn't really look the way I imagined with opening up this spot. The refrigerator set here, but it looked like I still got the table pushed in that corner, so I don't know. It didn't do what I was hoping it would do. But at least I've been in this house, y'all, for 9 years and haven't changed much but the color of the walls. So I need it to look different. I'm getting tired of looking at the same old walls. That's why I like working a job where I'm on the road, because I can look at different walls. But oh shoot, it's raining. King outside, he ain't even hollering. He must be enjoying the rain. Alright, so that is part 1. When will y'all get the rest? Who knows? The holiday is coming and I'm already picking up hours for the holiday. But let's see. The next step will be pantry. Buy some shelves, do that pantry. And after I do the pantry, I will do the sink and stuff. So those are the next steps. Thanks for watching. I'm Jess, I'm Mama 4.